Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see 11 keyboard shortcuts in the Windows 11 operating system. So this is the Windows 11 developer version. So here we am going to provide the 11 keyboard shortcuts. Well, let's get started. So the first keyboard shortcut we are going to see is the Windows plus S shortcut. So just press the Windows plus S key. So once you have just pressed it, now you will get the customized searching option. So this is a customized search option. So here you have to, in case if you want to one of the app means, so you can easily search the list of available apps in your desktop, and as well as you can also search for the web also. So like other games, in case, so you can search the web also easily. Also you can search for some of the system settings also. I am just searching for the dark, so here is the dark mode color settings. So it instantly go to that setting option, and here I am just switching to the dark mode. So like that you can able to search all the things. It's a smart search. You can search your folders, files, and you can search the web, and you can search the system settings, and all the things you can able to make using this Windows plus S shortcut key. And also there is some of the tabs here: apps, documents, web, more. So by selecting this also you can able to do this. And at the right side here is the options. So here is the search settings. So by going to the search settings, so here is some of the filtrations. So self searching, cloud content search, and history of searching. So you can able to clear the history also. So like that searching settings is also available. Now the next shortcut key is Windows plus W. So once you press the Windows plus W, you will get the widget screen. So this is the widget screen. So here you can able to find the weather information and the latest stock list and calendar, and also you can able to add different widgets. So you can customize your widgets as per your wish. So it is a top stories and some of the articles also you can able to find. So all the things you can able to make during the with this widget shortcut. So it is actually connected with your Microsoft account. So you can also select different widgets. So here is a to-do widgets also. So once you just tap this to-do widgets, now the to-do widget is actually comes. So here you can able to make all the to-do list contents. So already you have made some of the list, means you can able to find in the widgets option. You have to just press the Windows plus W, and here you can able to access all the widgets, and also you can able to personalize so different content based on your wish. For example, if you are not interested like this article means, so you can just tap on these three buttons and click on the fewer stories like this, and or just click on this story will be hidden from your widget. And also you can manage your topics by just going here. So by just logging to your account, you can able to manage what are your interested topics. So by just selecting that, based on that topic, you will get some of the stories in the widgets. Now the next keyboard shortcut is Windows plus Shift plus S. So just press Windows plus Shift plus S. Now it's a personalized screenshot. So using this you can able to take a particular part of the screen as a screenshot. And also there is a pre-made some of the shapes also. So it is a rectangular shape and it is a freeform shape. So the freeform snipe is you can draw as per your wish, and this is the window snipe, and this is the full screen snip. So once you click on this, the full windows is actually taken a screenshot, and it is a rectangular shape, and here you can draw a rectangular shape as per your wish. So that's it. Once you have made, now the snip has been taken. So here you can again clicking that. So here is the latest screenshot you have taken, and by here you can able to save the screenshot, or else you can make another screenshot also. And after that, here is a save option. Just click that, and you can able to save your screenshot as per your location. Now the next keyboard shortcut is Windows plus V. So this is the clipboard shortcut. So here you can able to once you are turned on means, and in case if you are already copied some of the text means, so that text will be shown here. So like if you are in a social media, so if you are actually typing something, some content means, you can copy the text. That copied content is actually saved in the clipboard, and after that you can use that copied content in somewhere else also. So like that, in case if you are copying 2 to 3 more contents like that means, you can save all the contents in the clipboard, and in case if you want to use the same content in somewhere else or somewhere time also, you can use that content in this clipboard. So once you have tapped the Windows plus P, here is the clipboard, so just click on the turn on, and that's it. Now whenever you are copying some of the content, so that content is actually listed here. For example, I have a search results here. I am just copying some of the text here, so that is useful for me. So I am just copying this text and just copy it. Now press the control Windows plus V, so that copied text is actually found here. And I also have some other thing also I want to copy, so I am just copying this, and now after pressing the Windows plus P, so that content is also available here. In case if I want to use this content, I can able to use in next day or in the future also, I can able to use the same content using this clipboard settings. So you can manage this clipboard settings using this Windows plus V keyboard shortcut. Well guys, now the next keyboard shortcut we are going to see is Windows plus H key. So this Windows plus H key is a voice typing feature. So that means your speech to the text translator. That is, so in case if you are actually working in your Word document or in some other typing work you are doing means, so that time you can easily press this Windows plus H key. So once you have pressed that, so here is a voice typing feature. So if you have to connect your microphone, and after that by just pressing the Windows plus H key, it start listening for your words. So what are all you are speaking, so that will be written as a text. And also it has a multiple features, like, so in case if you want to pause means, you can again use the same Windows plus H key. So this will actually first of all start listening, and again clicking on the Windows plus H key, so it will goes to the pause mode. Like that you can easily able to make the speech to text feature. And it has also having some of the additional settings also. So here is the settings option, just click on that, and here is a voice typing launcher, so just enable that. So that means in case if you are whenever you are going to make some of the typing means, so that time it will be launched automatically. For example, if I am going to a blank web browser, so whenever you are going to write some of the text, so that time the voice typing is actually automatically launched, and you have to just need to press the Windows plus H key, then the voice is actually listening. So what are all that you will speak, so that will be written as a text. Now the next keyboard shortcut we are going to see is the Windows plus dot. So here is so this actually enables all the emoji option and also a GIF options too. So in case if you are typing something means, so during that time just press the Windows plus the dot key, and then you can use some of the emojis as per your wish. So you can also use the GIF also. So based on the situation, you can use different GIFs and multiple emojis also. Now the next keyboard shortcut is Windows plus L. So it's a basic keyboard shortcut. So once you have pressed this, the Windows will be automatically locked. And again, if you want to enable means, you have to put your password. Now the next keyboard shortcut we are going to see is Windows plus tab key. So whenever you are pressing the Windows plus tab key, it actually shows the different desktops. So now I am currently using the two types of desktop. So desktop one is, I am currently in this desktop, I am having some set of different works, and the next desktop is the desktop 2. So here is I am doing some different set of works. And also you can create a multiple desktops. Like here is the option new desktop, just click on that and you can able to create a multiple desktop. And also you can delete that also. So in the desktop one, so some setup works, and you can also manage the multiple desktop by clicking on the Windows plus tab key. So here is a list of desktop available, so desktop 1 and then desktop 2. And here in the desktop managing, so you can also change the desktop name also. So like for example, this is I am giving work, and for this desktop I am giving this as personal. So like that you can choose a different desktop, so you can able to manage into the different desktop, so using the Windows plus tab key. So this is a good shortcut. So it is actually named as a task view. So this is a task view feature, so you can able to create a multiple desktop, and each desktop you can able to do a unique set of works. So this is a new feature from the Windows 11, and I also posted a video regarding this task view feature. So here will be an icon, you can check that video also afterwards. Now the next keyboard shortcut we are going to see is the Windows plus arrow keys. So it is a productivity based shortcut. So in case if you are using a multiple windows, and in case if you are using multiple file explorer and all that stuff, means you can easily able to do a multitasking using this keyboard shortcuts. So in case if you are having a multiple programs, like so here is a Word document, and then the one more thing is that I'm having a Chrome browser also. So in case if I want to use both the Chrome browser and the Word document simultaneously, means so I can able to split the screen into up to 4 different division. So for that, firstly you have to open one program. So this is a Google Chrome browser, and after that just press Windows plus left arrow key. It automatically partition to the left side. Now for the right partition, the Windows is already asked for which program you want to use. So these are all the 3 programs is already running. So one is a Word document and File Explorer, and then a Microsoft Office. So in case I want to use the Word document, means just click on this, and that's it. Now I can able to use the dual programs in same screen. So and also I can able to search here some of the thing. And at the same time I can able to use this also. So and I can able to copy something, and I can able to paste that content also. So I can like that I can able to do a multitasking using this keyboard shortcut. Now the final keyboard shortcut is Windows plus A key. So these, once you have pressed the Windows plus A key, so it actually opens the quick settings. So these are all the quick settings in the Windows 11 operating system. So in the quick setting panel, you can able to enable the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, night mode. In case if you want to activate the focus alarm only or focus assistant, like that feature you can able to access, and mobile hotspot you can able to enable, and keyboard layout, nearby sharing, so casting feature, and volume increasing and decreasing, and volume muting. So all the things you can able to made in the quick settings. So to access this quick settings, you can also open the quick setting by hovering your mouse and clicking on that internet access button, and then you can and then the quick settings will be actually opened. But using the keyboard shortcut also you can instantly open the quick setting. Just you want to press the Windows plus A key. That's it. Well guys, now the next keyboard shortcut we are going to see is Windows plus D key. So once you have pressed the Windows plus D key, so in case if you are having a multiple programs is actually maximized, means all the programs will be minimized automatically, and again pressing the Windows plus D key, and all the minimized programs again maximized. So this is one of the keyboard shortcut you can use in the Windows 11 operating system. Well now guys, now these are all the 11 keyboard shortcuts in the Windows 11 operating system. And in this 11 keyboard shortcuts, some of the keyboard shortcuts are comes with a new feature. So what are your guys thoughts on this 11 keyboard shortcuts? And in case if you are already using these keyboard shortcut, means so let me know what are the keyboard shortcuts you are using often. So let us know in the comment section below. In case if you are using other keyboard shortcuts that is not mentioned in this video, means so that also you can mention in the comment section below. Well, that's all about this video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below.